Again, welcome in your own channel Mind Thunder. So, and friend, today's video is very important for all the Android viewers, and I'm going to tell you Oppo Reno series, like Oppo, any type of handsets, any type of models of Oppo, you can unlock easily trying this method and apply this method on your handset, and you can unlock easily without going any service center, without going of any help of computer, without going help of any FRP code. So this method is called offline method, which is used it only in service center also. So I am going to tell you how to unlock any Oppo handsets without loss of any data or application. If you want to unlock your Oppo Android phone, so stay with us, and without a skip you can unlock this. Without a skip of video, you can unlock this phone easily. So now you can see the on this phone is locked through the enter password. So you are asking password, this phone is locked through the password. Below the screen you can see emergency calls option is coming. So now have to I have this code now have to before this process, first check your phone is in flight mode or not. So and your battery percentage minimum 40 to 50% must have to charge. Now I am going to tell you say this secret code, and this code is 4659 a star 842 and hash. And this code is I'm going to tell you, I'm going to zoom. This code is very important. If you want to note down, please note down. If you want to take a screenshot, please take a screenshot. And because I'm going to take a next step, so now we have to press here minimum 3 times, and you can ignore this pop-up message. And minimum I called 3 times, and now I'm going to this erase this code. And now this code is very important. I know you know this code very well because I'm trying in all the videos. This code is star has 899 and has. After pressing on it, now you can see engineer mode page is activated now, and lots of option is coming here. So first you have to check your Android version. What is your Oppo Android version? So press here on software version. So Android version, as per my Android version is 12. So I am pressing there the same number, because this is very important for the next process. Without this process we cannot do for the we cannot go for the next step. So press here and come back and go with the manual test. And second row device debugging is the very important process for this unlocking issue. So first check your sensor offset, not sorry for this proximity sensor test. And there are three options is coming. So press proximity calibration and confirm here. And after that you have to press sensor self test and calibration, and press on the both the option at the same time without any delay of second also. So now you can see gyroscope accelerometer, both option is in operation not started. Have to start here at least one and apply this tricks. Without this we are not going to the for the next step also. Apply and apply, wait and watch. At least one have to pass, but press on the same time. Now finally gyroscope is passed now. So come back from this option, and now check your M sensor auto test, and the test is successful now here on you, as you can see on my screen. So now I am going to the last process, and this process is the last and very important for us. So you can see others option is coming here, and there are 4 5 option is coming here, my friends. So database version or Android version, what is your mainboard version or a database version, whatever it is. So I'm going to tell you clearly, because this phone is not for, this is not Oppo handset. I'm not going to any cheat, because my handset is Realme. But this process is the same for all the Android version, Android viewers, because I'm going to tell you. And this code, secret code, is the most important for this video, for today's video, because the secret code is applicable for Oppo and Oppo related any models. So now you can see what I earlier we have done. on Android version, what is your software version? So my software version was 12, so I am pressing here 12 time. After that, you can check your key status. Now you can see key status. All the key status is passed now. So completely, I'm now the reading reset complete indicator. Press here OK, and after completing all the process, you now have to check the press through the home button, and we will check our phone is unlocked or not. So I am going to press home button, and let's start. And we will now, as you can see, my phone is unlocked without loss of any data or application, without help of any service center. So I hope you like this video. Then you can subscribe our channel, like and share.